What's up, guys? Today we are unboxing the Galaxy S10 Plus from Samsung, newest one that just came out. Let's open the box. Whoops. And there she is. There's something underneath the thing. Just can't get it off. It's stuck. There it is. So just usual paperwork and stuff. Okay, put that aside. Yeah, I've been using an LG V40 for the longest time. Put this aside first. So I have a charging brick, not a brick, but charging whatever adapter, and the file transfer thingy that comes with it. Charging cable, USB Type C. That's nice. That's nice. Very nice. There we go. Oh, that's how you do it. These are extra earbuds. Put it right there. And voila! There we go. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. 3 cameras on the back. I'm not really gonna go through the specs. Everybody on YouTube already talks about the specs. But, yeah, let's peel this thing off. Whoosh. I got the black version, by the way. So, I think it kind of like lights blue, but it's actually like black when you look at it. I got so many fingerprints on it already. It already comes with a screen protector. Headset jack is still there, which is good. So basically the reason why I bought this phone is because I wanted to try how good the audio recording quality is versus my old LG V40. So yeah, LG V40 and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus both have the same size. But yeah, mainly I use the phones for audio recording, so hopefully the Samsung Galaxy S10 has better quality. I'll make a comparison of the two soon. In loud environments, basically I use it when we do band practice. Yeah, that's basically the unboxing of my new Samsung S10 Plus. Alright, so now we're gonna go turn it on. I like the way it feels in the hand. It's really slim. And I don't know, it feels good. I've never had a Samsung device before, like I said.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
How's the volume? Ooh, that sounds nice. Yeah. Anyways, as you can see, there's a punch hole on the camera right there. They didn't make a notch, so I think that's good. So yeah, let me set it up real quick. Let's see. Checking for updates. Email, blah blah blah. Getting account information. Just a sec. Android setup keeps stopping. Ah. Why it's going in circles? The setup part keeps crashing. Android setup keeps stopping. Huh. Wonder why. I wonder why it's crashing. Getting account info and then it crashes. Boom. Oh. Let's try restarting the phone.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Yeah, it keeps crashing. Ooh. Okay. Well, let me figure it out first. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna put my SIM card just to see if it works. It kept on crashing on me while setting up, but we'll see if it crashes if I had a SIM card in there. Alright, so we're gonna power it up. Account added. See, it keeps crashing. I wonder why. Yeah, it's not working, man. So I click next. It goes like that. Just a sec, and then it crashes right there. Android setup keeps stopping. That might be an issue. I'm gonna go online and see what fix they have for this. Okay, so I tried to figure it out. So I searched how to factory reset the phone. So pretty much you hold the Bixby button, the volume up button, and then the power while your phone is off. And then you choose so using the up and down arrow keys, you do the wipe data / factory reset. It'll show right there. There we go. Somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Wipe data factory reset. And then after you do that, you reboot the system. Select reboot the system and then the power key to select the option. And now it's going to reboot from the beginning. We'll see if that worked. There we go. It's starting Android. Alright, let's see.
Let's get started.
Account added. We'll click next. And it crashes again. No. Alright, so I figured it out. Basically what I did was I skipped putting my Google account in there. And then I'll just set it up later, basically. So now I got it all set up, and I'm at the part where you'll have to transfer data from your old phone to the new phone. So I need a cable. I'll just use my handy dandy OnePlus cable right here. Put this box aside. Let's see how this works. Okay. Get a USB connector, cable, blah 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 blah. So I'll plug this right here. Okay, it's installed. Open. Agree. Start. Allow. Bring your data to your new Galaxy. Lego. How do you want to connect? Cable. Okay. It's doing it. So by the way, while it's connecting, I got this too. So it's what is this? It's a wireless charger. How do you open it? Okay. There you go. The Samsung device turns off. There you go. I didn't try the fingerprint, on-screen fingerprint thingy yet. We'll do that later. And this is the wireless charger it comes with, guys. It's really nice. You know, very matte black. What's in this box? So put this aside, and put this aside. Damn, I didn't know this was gonna be this complicated. So open. Let's go. Okay, cable. Use a USB to connect the devices. Plug the USB connector into your device. Okay, let's say I don't have this open. Let's close that. And then I plug it in, yeah? Receive. There you go. There you go. By the way, while it's doing it, this is my old phone, the LG V40. Oh, choose what to bring. Calls and contacts, messages, everything. Just transfer everything. Calculating remaining time. Keep screen on. Yes, sir. Please. Okay. So these have 2 or 3 camera setups, both of the phones. There's a wide, there's a normal, and there's a telephoto lens. But of course, it's just preference on what images are better. The only reason why I like LG is because of its mic. It has really good mic, or like a really good audio quality when I video record. I wanna do a comparison video about it soon to see if the Samsung one can compete with how good the audio quality of the LG is, because that's the only reason why I didn't switch to Samsung yet, is because the LG quality or audio quality is really good. So hopefully I didn't make the wrong decision, because I gotta ship this guy back to Samsung. So basically the price is $1,000 for this, and I traded this one out, which took $550 off of the $1,000 price tag of this. It's a pretty good deal. I just have to give up my LG. Oh well. Saying 24 minutes left. I guess let's fast forward to the future. We are back. So this is done. Clear. Boom. This one, oh, there's a tab to open now on the Samsung thingy. Alright, let's try to see if we can set up the fingerprint scanner thingy. Quick and easy way to unlock your phone. Blah, 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 blah. Tips. I can take this off, yeah? Boom. Okay. So scan your fingerprint. Let's do it. Done. So, oh, it doesn't do. There's no knock. I'm used to the LG one where you can knock and it locks it. Let's see. Swipe, pattern, pin, password, security, face. Ooh, let's do the face. Hold up. Are you wearing glasses right now? No. Okay, registering your face. It's registering my face right now. Face registered. What the hell? That's it. Okay, so let's say I lock it right now, and I go like that. Let's see. Whoosh. Oh, it unlocks it on the top thingy. Okay, let's do that again. So you press the button, and there's a. Ooh, you see that shit? Look, 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 look. So I'll lock it, and then the camera. Watch the camera right here. Whoa, very glowing, huh? Very nice. It says no face detected, but when I go like this, there's no face detected. Boom. Unlock. So it unlocks it. Oy. Like right there. Yeah, it unlocks it, but then it doesn't unlock the phone. You still gotta swipe. Ah, that sucks. Maybe you can take it off. So the LG one, my LG phone has a always on display, and look, you could go like this, and then you can toggle your whatever options, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever, flashlight. You could also play your what is this? Your music. You got your music right there. And yeah, that's pretty nice. But I don't think Samsung has that. Oops. Okay, let's try the fingerprint scanner. Let's see how fast it is. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Whip. And let's do it again. Alright, so I'll lock it, and we'll do the fingerprint, okay? Now, fingerprint, 1, 2, 3, boom! Wow, you can at least, it's slow. Like, look, I'll do, I'll do my LG, which is in the back. 1, 2, 3, done. Fingerprint, physical fingerprint button is, or scanner is always better, because when you do this, whoop, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 3 seconds. That's at least 2 and something seconds right there before it unlocks. And for the face, when you go like this, it unlocks first, and then you gotta swipe. What the hell is that? But yeah, this is pretty much the unboxing and, you know, first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Next videos would be about comparing how the audio quality of the videos, this Samsung S10 versus the LG V40. So yeah, hopefully I get to make those videos soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.